At Vestigo-Operated we're delighted to be working with our trusted partners EM&I and Pioneer Engineering, developing this groundbreaking solution to some of the industry's most challenging problems to ensure both asset integrity and reliability. Hull repairs have traditionally been both complex and dangerous, requiring skilled underwater divers. The solution is CLAM Cofferdam Technology, created to make repairs safer and more efficient. By introducing new and innovative technology, we've now completed the first underwater hull repair in Malaysian waters, with no requirement for divers in the water, eliminating this inherent risk to humans, plus the need for expensive dive support vessels. By using the largest ever cofferdam to enable CLAM diverless hull repair, there are many benefits, including no need to shut down the FPSO, allowing normal operations to continue throughout the repair process. There is also no need for dry docking, as repairs are carried out on station. The recent operation was also not hindered by the weather and was completed during monsoon season. The cofferdam expedites the repair process by creating a controlled environment. By using less people on board, this contributes to operational efficiency and cost savings, and also aligns with broader environmental goals. Despite its advanced technology and complex production, the results are reduced downtime, precise repairs, and improved safety, all contributing to overall savings for maritime operators. Following an extensive site survey on FPSO Barantai, an innovative process of laser scanning was used, along with state-of-the-art technology that allows for precise three-dimensional mapping of underwater structures and surfaces. CAD drawings of the cofferdam are executed. These are then imported into specialist software, which allows engineers to apply load limits to rigorously test forces, stresses, and strains. A simulation is then created using precise data to allow engineers to validate the safe limits of the operation. Once the contract has been issued and agreed, a detailed blueprint of the cofferdam is created, and fabrication can then begin. EM&I ensure every component is crafted with utmost precision, and materials used are carefully selected for their durability and resistance to the harsh marine environment. Every team member undergoes rigorous preparation, ensuring they're well equipped to navigate the complexities of the upcoming operation. At this pivotal juncture in the process, effective communication with our client is paramount to provide real-time updates, addressing any concerns, and ensure alignment with their expectations. And we extend an invitation to witness our factory acceptance testing process. To prepare for deployment, the cavitation cleaning of the hull removes marine growth. Then, using EM&I proprietary Odin technology, the cofferdam deployment begins, and the clam is secured against the hull and encases the repair site, creating a controlled and dry environment for the engineers. Specialist cutting tools are then used to crop the damaged steel from the hull and replace the new steel to prepare for welding. The replacement steel is then welded onto the hull, following best practice for marine welding to guarantee the structural integrity of the repair. The owner of the asset and the Classification Society will approve the work completed. This is done by using EM&I technicians using non-destructive testing, NDT, looking for any defects or irregularities, and then painting to prevent future corrosion. The process of extraction then begins by gradually reversing the pumping process to reintroduce water into the cofferdam and equalize pressure. At Vestigo-Operated, the level of commitment and professionalism we have working with EM&I and Pioneer Engineering is unprecedented. This new and innovative CLAM technology allows the industry to go beyond the norms of maintaining asset integrity. The old challenges of underwater repair can be solved with this comprehensive and groundbreaking solution, allowing a safer and more reliable environment for future assets. For more information, please visit our website at emandalliance.com.